everyone! Welcome to Super Easy Science. Ever wondered why when you try to mix cooking oil and water, the oil always ends up floating on top? It's like they have their own special rules, right? Well, guess what? There is a super cool science reason for this, and it's called density. Think of density like how crowded something is. Imagine two balloons the same size. One is filled with air, and the other is packed with tiny marbles. The marble balloon feels much heavier, even though they're the same size. That's because the marbles make it more dense. There's more stuff squeezed into that space. Liquids are the same. Water molecules are packed together more tightly than oil molecules. It's like water is a super crowded dance floor, and oil has more room to boogie. Because water is more dense, it's heavier for the same amount compared to oil. So when you pour oil on water, the heavier water sinks down, and the lighter, less dense oil just floats right on top. So the secret to why your salad dressing separates isn't magic, it's science. It's all about density. The more stuff packed in, the denser it is, and the more likely it is to sink. Awesome! Now you know the density secret. Catch you next time for more super speedy science. Now get a cup of water and mix with cooking oil. Let me know what you see. Don't forget to clean up after this experiment. I will be waiting for your comment. Have a great day.